Okay, in today's class, I'm going to unveil the secret of French conjugation. This is one of the most difficult branch in learning French. And once you master French conjugation, you have mastered it all. Because there is no way you will not be using them in your communication. So, without wasting time, let's start the class proper. So I want you to know that pertaining to French verbs, we have three major groups. We have first group, second group, and third group. The first group verbs always end with ER, as you can see. They always end with ER except the verb aller. Except the verb aller, because the verb aller also ends with ER. So that is it. The second group verbs end with IR. All the second group verbs end with IR, which you can see in red color. The particularity of second group verbs that end with IR is that they must also, when conjugated into nous. Nous means what? We. Nous means we. As you can see, we in English means nous in French. So when we conjugate a verb in a present tense using nous, and that verb ends with ISS, it means that that verb is what? Is a second group verb. So for you to recognize a second group verb, number one, it must end with what? With ER, number one. And also when conjugated into nous, it must end, the nous must also end with what? ISSONS. I will show you an example, and I will show you multiple kind of verbs of second group. You understand? So let's continue. The third group verbs are the remaining verbs. They end with IR, OIR, RE, and there is the verb aller. So any other verbs that do not belong to first group, neither does it belong to second group, we qualify that kind of verb as third group, and they are the most complex of French verbs. Now, don't forget, I told you just now that a first group verb must end with ER, a second group verb must end with IR, and when conjugated into nous, it must also end with ISSONS. The remaining verbs now can be considered as third group verb. So these are the some of the first group verbs, and they are the most used one. Yeah, you can also find a lot of them out there, but these ones I methodically selected them so that once you know them all, like you know all the first group verbs. So the first one is parler. You can see it ends with what? ER. It ends with ER. You can see it. So that parler means to speak, demander, to ask, donner, to give, trouver, to find, manger, to eat, rester, to stay, passer, to pass, porter, to carry, montrer, to show, penser, to think, compter, to count, appeler, to call, décider, to decide, arriver, to arrive, accepter, to accept, jouer, to play. You can see that all these verbs end with what? With ER. And how do we conjugate them? Yes, this is how we conjugate them. I'm taking the first verb as an example. And once you know how to conjugate the first verb, you should know how to conjugate all the verbs that end with er. So taking the example of parler, conjugated into the what is it called, all the pronouns in French. So we have, the first rule is this: you write only when you write je, tu, il ou elle, nous, vous, il ou elle. This one means what? Je, it means I. Yes, je means I. Let me write it here. I. I. That is the meaning of je. Tu means what? You. In English, you. Huh? And il means what? He or she. You can see. So nous means what? We. Yes, we. And vous means what? Vous means you in plural. This one means what? They. So once you write the pronouns like this, the first thing to do is to write the root of the verb. I'm talking about the first group verb. So the root of parler, you just remove the er from all the verb that end with er except the verb aller. So once you remove the er, you now write the root, as you can see, P-A-R-L, P-A-R-L, P-A-R-L. So that is it, P-A-R-L-P. So after you do that one now, you now order it like this. This one ends with what? E. You can see this one ends with E-S. This one ends with E. This one ends with O-N-S. This one ends with E-Z. And this one ends with what? E-N-T. So this is how those verbs behave when conjugated in present tense. So this one you will call it what? Je parle. I will remove the English translation. I just want you to know the meaning of those pronouns. So since you know them, so this is how you do it. So now, once you add all these at the end of the root, you have conjugated the first group verb in present tense. And since you know this, you should be able to do it for all these. You understand? So I will read it. Je parle, tu parles, il ou elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il ou elle parle. I did not pronounce the S here. I did not also pronounce the Z and the S. Je parle, tu parles, il ou elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il ou elle parle. So if you understand this, you have understood the remaining. So what of the second group verbs? They are not that many. We can count the second group verbs. These are some of them. So finir, and the reason why finir is part of second group verbs, when finir is conjugated in present tense, you can see this. We take the root, this er. We take the root. We put the root here first. Je, F-I-N, F-I-N, F-I-N. So when conjugated into nous, you can see now, into nous, it ends with what? Ils sont. Ils sont. So, fini, number one, it ends with IR. When conjugated into nous, it ends with ISSONS. So that's how you recognize the second group verbs. You understand? So, agir. Fini means what? To end. Agir, to act. Choisir, to choose. Nourrir, to feed. Obéir, to follow order. Réagir, to react. Trahir, to betray. Accomplir, to accomplish. You understand? So all of these verbs, are conjugated like this. You just remove the er, and you write the root, and this is what you use at the end of each of them. You understand? So let me read this one. J'ai fini. Tu finis. Il ou elle finit. You don't read the ss or t, no. Nous finissons. Nous finissons. Vous finissez. Il ou elle finissent. So that is for the second group verbs. Now the third group verbs, I have selected some of them to you, and these, I can tell you, the second group verbs are also the most used verbs in French, because I don't think that there's any you can communicate in French a day without using many of them, not one of them. So you have to master it, and it is also difficult. There is no particular rule for them, but they have some. Maybe in the next video I can put it in detail. You understand? So the only thing is this: you have to know how to conjugate them. Once you know them, you have known them. If I show you a rule now, the rule may work for this, it may not work for that. So that is where the problem is. But there is also a structure. Maybe later I will discuss about that one. But for now, I want you to know some of them. When you see them, you have to know that this is part of the third group verb. So the first one is avoir. Avoir means what? To have. Être, to be. Aller, to go. Pouvoir, to be able to. Vouloir, to want. Faire, to do. Savoir, to know. Venir, to come. Sortir or partir, to leave. Dire, to say. Devoir, to have to. Falloir, to need to. Rendre, to return. Mettre, to put. Tenir, to hold. Prendre, to take. Comprendre, to understand. So the best thing is that you should visit Google. And when you go on Google, just type the conjugation of avoir. You write avoir. Google will list it for you. You write the conjugation of être. The same thing will be done. So this is where I'm going to stop for today. In the next video, I will also try to talk about the third group verbs in details. So have a nice day. And please don't forget to share this video. Share it, please. Let a lot of people have access to these free classes.